correspondence to the USB cable in your computer device manager. Then fill other parameters according to the generators in test. For example, for the line, we need to select the 3 line 4 phases, and the model of record wave is 2000. Voltage range, rated voltage, and for the CT, this load bank is 700 kilowatts, so it's 240. Now we fill the other parameters here. Type is the generator model. This is a 200 kilowatt Cummins generator, so it's KPC200P. Rated voltage is 400 volt. Current transformer is 1200 divided by 5, and power factor is 1. And the other details are according to the nameplate and the test environment, such as the temperature, atmosphere pressure, etc. And now we start the test of 0% of load. Click static parameters. It will collect the data right now, including the voltage, the current, power factor, power, kilowatt, and frequency. And click wave motion. It will start the wave motion test, which will last 60 seconds. After all these tests, there will be a complete test report for this generator. Now it's the first step. Okay, the wave motion test is over. Let's click wave motion data to collect the data from above test. You can see all those data. Now let's start the just voltage test. The test will last 100 seconds. Okay, the test is over. Now we can continue with the adjust of frequency test. It will it will last another 100 seconds as well. Okay, the test is over. Now we click adjusting data to collect the data here. You can see all these areas are filled with the data that's from our last test. And now we click voltage modulation to collect the data. Yes, that's it. Now we can see the test report to see the parameters of 0% of load. You can see here. Now, then we repeat such tests for 25, 50, 75, 100, 110, and we will have a complete test report. Now we will skip 25% and go to 50% of load, because we will also test the transient response. Okay, now the generator is with 100 kilowatt of load. You can see in the generator test screen. And now we repeat above test. For example, first with static parameters and wave motion. Wait for 60 seconds for the result. Okay, the test is over. Now let's collect the data by pressing wave motion data. And we have those results there. And continue with the adjust of voltage test. 100 seconds to go. Okay, we continue with adjust of frequency test, another 100 seconds. Okay, now we collect the data from both the adjust of voltage and the adjust of frequency test. Also, click voltage modulation to collect the data. And now let's perform the transient test with our load bank's master's load switch. We take off the load in one step by clicking sudden decrease load button, and within 15 seconds switch off the master load. Now all the load is taken off from the generator. It's on zero load. Okay, now we perform sudden increase load test by putting the load back in one single step. Click it and switch on the master load switch. Now the generator is with 15% of load again. Okay, that's done. And we move to 100% of load for another round of tests. Repeat the previous operation. First, we add another 100 kilowatts of load to the generator. Now the genset is under full load. Click static parameters to collect the data, and then wave motion. Wait 60 minutes, 60 seconds for the results. And collect the data for wave motion test by clicking wave motion data. And continue with the adjust of voltage test, which will last 100 seconds. continue with the adjust of frequency test. Another 100 seconds.